shit. Wow. You gotta ride fast if you want to go through that. Yeah. Holy. This is the Mother Nature is coming back for what's hers. Oh. You gotta be careful, this is the Humber River. Oh my God. Wow. Woo. It's crazy. The runoff. People. Look at this. This is a road, you know. The road's gone. I'll go for a swim. Oh my God. Wow. This is water. The Humber River is changing course. Right? Damn. Woo. Humber River in Toronto. Damn. Huh? You see this right here?
Oh man.
This right here is a road. Completely gone.
But you can pass through the
No, not really. Child, get away from the one.
What if I just get in the water and sit on the chair?
to take you direct to US.
I sit on the chair, it'll be a cool picture, right?
Huh?
No. Can't take
No. It's too far.
You know, if this is Nigeria, see the correct this evening,
Yeah?
I wish I brought my camera.
This Nigeria, they be crocodile somewhere close.
yeah, sharp. Yes, now this it makes it this evening correct.
Yeah.
Serious. See,
Yeah.
you know, the first time I saw a squirrel,
A squirrel.
I've seen since I was born till I left Nigeria. I've seen only one,
Only one?
and that one they're pushing to kill it.
Yeah?
Yeah, serious. The kids they're pushing it.
Yeah.
Serious, just one. When they came to Canada, the squirrel they danced.
You see many, huh?
Yeah, so happy.
Humber. So right here
Yeah.
is a trail.
Yeah. All the way, right?
So right here is like a little hill. She used to come here.
The hill?
Yeah, a little steep.
Oh,
And she used to come here and feed the ducks.
serious?
Yeah, she been coming here for years. Yeah.
All the way from America.
All the way from America. Yeah. That's what's up.